To make phone banking calls via VoIP, we're going to go over to Phone and select Make Calls. On this page, you should see the phone banking project that you will be calling from. I've already got my project all set up. If you need more information on that, you can go see our phone bank admin video. On the right, we're going to select Make Calls using VoIP. Here on the right, you will see the script with questions and possible answers. When you have familiarized yourself with the script, click Begin. Remember that VoIP works with Chrome and Firefox for all devices except for iPhone and iPad. When using VoIP, you should use a headset or the audio quality will be poor. When you are ready to begin the call, select the green call button in the top left corner. If the call is successful, click on the survey icon next to the name of the individual who you are speaking to. This will show the survey questions, and you can record the responses. On the left, select the proper call outcome. To continue making calls, when the call is over, select the blue Next button. To make the next call, select the green call button. If there is no answer and you get somebody's voicemail, wait till the beep and hit Start Voicemail. This will change the status of the call to Left a Message. If you're going to continue calling, select the blue Next button, and when you're ready to be done, go up into the top right corner and select the red Stop Calling button.